Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Raj here. So this channel I will be dedicating to discussing everything automotive. Today I will start off doing an unboxing and installation video for a ride-on car which I purchased from Top Tech Factory, which is located in Mississauga. So this ride-on car which I purchased was the first time ever it's been released in Ontario. It's the models, the Beast 24 volts kids ride-on car that is now available for purchase. Yeah, I decided to buy this for my daughter and my sons because they're all under 5 and they see kids riding on these and they were like, hey, I need one. I'm like, okay, all right, let's go grab it. So I got the two-seater so my sons could take turns with my daughter riding it. So if you like this video, please do hit subscribe. Some insights on the next couple of videos that I will be uploading would be purchasing process for Tesla Model Y, GoPro Hero 9 unboxing, and so much more. This channel is going to be mainly related to my purchase of the Tesla Model Y and my experience throughout, as well as, as I mentioned, unboxing videos as so I come across new items as well. So stay tuned. So let's get ready and let's start the video for unboxing the ride-on car. Hi everyone. So let's look at Top Tech Factory website. I'll go over the specifications of the car that we just bought for my kids. So we got the 2022 24-volt Beast, which is the one that you see here in the picture. It is a 4x4 quad with 2 leather seats and rubber tires. Right now it is listed for $1,299, discounted to $799.99. It does come in 3 colors, so red, black, and white. We ended up going with the red color. Looking at some of the specifications, if you scroll down, you could see so 24-volt battery. So I did review it further. So there's two 12 volts in there, which equates to 24. So not one big 24-volt battery. It is a two-seater, 4 upgraded motors. It comes with EVA rubber tires, leather seats, seat belt for both kids, parental remote control, which is amazing because this actually has the ability to reduce the speed if you feel like the kids are going too fast or you want to have some type of control over the speed. So you could definitely do that through the remote control. Weight limit 300 pounds. Recommended ages 2 kids 1 to 4 or 1 kid 1 to 8 years old. Speed 8 to 10 kilometers per hour. You could actually control the speed with the remote control, so which is great. You could drive this on grass, road, and gravel. Playtime 2 to 4 hours. Charge time 6 to 8 hours. Additional features: built-in MP3 player, battery indicator, front and rear lights, opening doors. So both doors open on the side so the kids could actually get in, so which is amazing. Warranty. So to talk about warranty, so the battery, motor, and motherboard comes with 90-day warranty. It would have been great if it was 1 year, but it is what it is. Remote control comes with 2 years warranty. Okay, that's pretty much all the information that is available on the website. You could actually go through different pictures here, which is available. So if you want to get like a up close picture of different colors as well, you could definitely do that. But yeah, so let's start unboxing this card that we just received from the warehouse and go from there. Saying we picked this up from the one warehouse. It's a red color. It's ride-on car made from China.
All right, so let's see
Okay,
what
let's
is in the
begin.
box. We got the seats, the rails, as well as the wheels in there, as well as the car, of course. So let's take it out of the box, put it upside down, and let's start installing it. All right, so let's see all the stuff that we took out of the box. We got the wheels, which we got 4 of them, so which is good. So let's see here, let's take them all out, put it in a box. We got the wheel caps, and we got a bunch of items in a bag. Let's open it and see what's in there. The car looks pretty good so far. I don't see any damages on it. So we got the steering wheel in the bag. That's the remote. We got the manual. That's the item that we used to tighten the bolts. And we got the charger and aux cable. All right, so I think we got everything there. So let's put that in the back seat. All right, let's look inside the car here. So if we look closely, we got the 2 batteries in there, the 12 volt. So we got the 12 volts in there. Got some loose cables which we need to secure. Make sure everything is fit in correctly. All right, so let's put it upside down. And if you see there, that's the music box there. So let's put it upside down.
So what we did is we flipped it upside down so that we can install the wheels. So let's start doing that. So I'm going to cut this off here so that way this could move freely. So we're going to do the front wheels first. I'm just using a plier to cut these things off here so that we get it out of the way. Okay, so let's keep that there. And so we're going to take this piece out, put that there. So these bolts, they come off with this tool that they have provided us. So just put it on and just unscrew it off, which is convenient, so I don't have to get out my wrench, so which is good. And this thing comes out. This is the washer. Okay, so now it came with 2 additional washers here. Alright guys, so we're going to install the front wheels right now. So what we're going to do is leave the one washer in here, and we're going to put the other washer. There you go. I'm going to keep this other washer in here, and we're going to tighten this up. So basically, we're just going to use this tool here just to tighten this up. To do the same on the other side. So basically what we did is, for the front wheels, we took the 2 big washers, put it on the outside, and then we put the small washer in, and then we put the bolt in, so that way it's nice and sturdy. Because if you put the other way around, then there's going to be a gap. It's not going to be secured. So make sure that you put the 2 big washers outside and 1 small, and then put the bolt on and just tighten up nicely. All right, so that's our front wheels installed. So let's do the rear now. So this one here is basically, we're just going to unscrew this, and what we're going to do is bolt it onto this, so that way this allows the wheels to turn left and right. And this piece here, attachment, if you see here, this one would literally go inside this, so this will literally control the movement. All right, so let's do that. So if you see guys, I put this bar into this spacing here, so it allows the wheels to turn left and right. You see here, so it allows it to turn. This one, I just unscrewed this out initially. Basically, I used a number 10. Hold at the bottom,
use the drill, unscrew this, put it back in, hold it, and just tighten it again. Just make sure to put the washer back on there. There's a small washer that goes first and then the screw. And there it is, front wheel fully done. Now it's back wheels. All right, so to install the back wheels, so you need that bar. It comes with 3-4 washers. So we're just going to take it out. Literally, we're going to take that and put it in through this hole right here, so it comes out on the other side, and then we're going to connect the wheels. All right guys, so what I did is I put the rod, as I mentioned, through the hole. So you put this in, you put the rod through the holes all the way down. Do the same for the other side. And I used a number 13 to tighten this bolt with the washer on it. So just basically put the wheels on, put the washer, bolt in it. You won't be able to tighten it all the way because the wheel needs to move freely. But yeah, that's pretty much it, the front and rear wheels. Let's install the rest of it. All right guys, so we're going to install the steering wheel. It's pretty straightforward. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be clipping this piece here into this piece. And what we're going to do is, if you see a hole here, so basically what we're going to do is, there's a screw here, we're going to unscrew it. Once you put it back in, we're going to screw it through that hole so it holds the steering wheel in place. All right, so steering wheel has been installed. Just make sure after you connect the cord, you push it back in through the inside so it doesn't get squeezed when you're installing the steering wheel. Make sure it is in the off position. And what you're going to do is you're going to come in here, you got the batteries, make sure everything is tight so nothing is loose. Sometimes, you know, when they're doing the shipment, the wires could get loose. So basically you're going to take this wire, which should normally come taped here, and what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to this. Now before we do that, what we're going to do is install the back lights, which should be pretty straightforward. So let me get that. All right, so I did manage to pull that wire out. You see the wire from there just keeps going through that hole. And what's going to happen, this wire is going to come through that hole. And basically pretty straightforward. Just find the pin and just plug it in. Just be very gentle not to break it. Just push it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. There you go. All right, so now it's in the off position. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and we are going to connect it to this. There you go. That's pretty much it. Now it's a moment of truth. Okay, everything is pouring on. We hear the noise. Good. We got music going. Ooh, look at that. They got a USB. See if the honk works. And this is to change the channel. Drive mode, neutral mode. Nice. So now the one last thing to do, we're gonna install the front bar and then the grill. And that's about it. So let me do that and then I'll show you guys how it's done. Basically those are just clips on, exactly like the rear ones, and you got the rear lights as well. So you just push it in, same thing. Let me do that and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so if you see, I installed the front here, just clips into here, these two holes, and this protector just clips into here like that, and we're good. Everything looks like it's working. So what we're going to do is install the seats. Basically the seats would just go on and it would screw into here to lock it in place.
So let's do the final. All right, so the seats are in. So basically there's two clips that goes in the back of the seat. Just push it in and it just snaps on. And then once you put the seat down, if you open this here, you'll see the locking mechanism for the seat. Just had to twist it to lock it. Once it clips into that hole, and you're good. And the charging port is right there. Make sure you fully charge, I say at least 12 hours, just so that the battery lasts long. You could try it on. So let's get the remote. Let's see what the remote has in store for us. Oh yes, and we got to do the wheel covers as well. So wheel covers, basically straightforward. We just unscrew these and then put it on, screw it back in. That's pretty much it. So I'll show you once I do that. All right, the final showdown. So we're going to install the battery on this remote transmitter. Okay, so basically just unscrew this. I'll just use a, shouldn't be using this, but it makes my life so much easier. So I'll just do that since I already have it. Open it up. Two batteries. I got these at Costco, so let's just use these ones. It's a AAA battery. So one goes like that. One goes like that. Put this back on. Okay, so that's that. So let's program this remote. Yeah, see, it works. So let's program it. Almost. So we got to program the remote, and that's it. So to program the remote, you turn it off first. And what you do is you hold the up and down arrow together until it blinks.
Not yet, Ria.
Not yet, Ria. When I tell you, you can turn it on, okay? So let's hold up and down arrow. There you go, it blinks. Turn it on now, Ria. All right, there you go. So that should do the trick. So let's see if it works.
It's not gonna work when you have your children.
There you go. Actually, a speed mode here. You could actually control the speed that you want to have your child go on. And if you click on park, it will stop the car immediately wherever it is for safety feature. So let's put the speed to max. And let's see, Ria. Go. All right. Wow, I'm controlling her with the remote, so. Wait. Okay, wait, then you can get a chance, okay? All right, come. Okay, you can do it now. I'm not gonna control you. You like the car, Ria? Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos.
Daddy,
See ya.